Hey, it's Rocky here again, and I wanted to show you some more examples of why you really have to be on the lookout every time a market makes a move and then reacts, because if you're watching for these 50% and 618 retracements, you're going to be able to trade out of some really nice lows. So over on the left hand side here we have the ASX200 cash index, the Australian market, and as you can see our 20 period moving average is rising, our 8 period is up here. It's had a bit of a pullback, but today we're up here again, so we've come down, had a bit of a pullback, and then we're up here, and we're just sort of trading pretty steadily in the afternoon session just here. So I'll go over to the quarter hour chart and show you what's happened coming out of this recent low. So you see here I drew the line from the low to the high, and we measure back down. Our reaction here was 50% retracements right here, and it came down and just poked through, and then it started to rally again. Then we've powered on up here and up here. So the 50% retracement pulled it up there and gave you a good indication that it was going higher, because we had a higher swing high than this high, and we came back down, had a higher swing low than this low, and once it takes out this high, that's a good indication that we're going higher. So you want to be trying to get on board somewhere in here. Now I didn't trade this market, I was busy doing other things and I wasn't watching, but I just flicked over now and saw this, and I thought I wanted to catch it while it's happening. So if we take this now and we take this high here up to here, this was the first leg out this morning, take it from the low here to that high, we rallied up strongly here, then we came back down, and there's our 50% retracement there, and it's come down and just quite hasn't touched it. So if you take it from there, the low, it's not quite 50%. If you take it 50% of this range, you'll see it came down right on 50%. So both of these levels, you've got one here and one here, very good place for support, and as soon as it got into there, it just powered higher. So let's go and have a look now where this has come to, and as you can see we've come right up against this old high here, had a big U shape, what might be a cup and handle here, it's come up, made a higher high, bit of a correction down into here, and then we've come up, one wave, next wave up, 5 waves up into this old high. But the main thing I wanted to show you in this video is we've got 50% retracement here, 50% retracement here, and then very close to a 50% retracement here before it started to rally again. So keep an eye out for these, and if you're trading with the trend, the daily trend is up, the 4-hour trend is up, the quarter-hour trend is up, keep an eye out for these pullbacks, and you can get in very close to some of these correction lows. So I hope that really helps, and I'll talk with you in the next video.